Step 1. Bedbug proof the mattress. Start by removing any affected bedding for separate washing and treatment. Next, remove the mattress from the bed and prop it against the wall. Now, take the bedbug barrier mattress protector and fit it over the mattress. Take care to fit the mattress protector evenly. Partially zip the mattress protector before flipping the mattress. Now flip the mattress over and zip the mattress protector up fully. Be sure to secure the Velcro tab and encase the mattress completely. Leave the mattress propped against the wall while you treat the bed frame. Step 2. Steam and dust the bed frame. Firstly, prop the bed on its side to steam the underside of the bed. Next, steam the underside of the bed with the nozzle attachment. This nozzle is for smaller, hard to reach places on the outer bed frame. When the outer frame has been steamed, change to the flat steamer attachment and thoroughly steam the bed slats. Now you are ready to apply the bedbug killer powder. Liberally apply bedbug killer powder to the outer frame. Moisture from steaming will help the bedbug killer powder adhere to the bed frame. Now the bottom of the bed frame has been treated, continue and treat the top of the bed frame. This nozzle is for smaller, hard to reach places on the outer bed frame. Be sure to treat every aspect of the bed frame. Once steaming is complete, you can apply bedbug killer powder to the top of the bed frame. Liberally apply bedbug killer powder to the outer bed frame. Next, apply the bedbug killer powder to the slats. Once complete, replace the mattress. Step 3. Install bedbug barriers. For this step, you will need either the bedbug barrier floor barriers or the bedbug barrier tape. Firstly, position the bedbug barrier floor barrier next to the bed leg. Remove the cover and coat the kill tray with the bedbug killer powder. Refit the cover and slide the bedbug barrier floor barrier underneath the bed leg. Apply a final coat of bedbug barrier killer powder inside the bedbug floor barrier. Repeat this process on all remaining bed legs. If the bed has square legs or round legs with a diameter greater than 65mm, use bedbug barrier tape. At ground level, simply wrap bedbug barrier tape around the bed leg, making sure to overlap the tape. Apply a final treatment of bedbug barrier killer powder around the full perimeter of the bed leg. If you'd prefer not to leave any of the bedbug killer powder on the floor, apply the bedbug barrier tape to the bed leg 10 cm higher than floor level. Use a wet sponge or water mister to moisten the bed leg below the tape. This will aid powder adhesion. Lastly, apply bedbug killer powder to the moistened bed leg with the duster. Keep the treated bed at least 30 cm away from the wall and from other bedroom furniture, including bedside tables, for at least 6 weeks. If you have bed bugs in your room, they will come to the bed at night looking for a blood meal, but they will be stopped by the bed bug barriers and killed after coming into contact with the powder.